Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going on a short spin to Rajahmundry. I'll tell you why I am going there. Probably you will guess it by the thumbnail or by the title, but I am very excited right now. So let's head there first, and on the way I think I'm going to share more info to you people. So stay tuned for that. Quick ride update guys, we just got Samalkota and I am headed towards Rajahmundry, but not sure if this is the right path or not. I just need to stop here and check again on Google Maps, and I also need to make a call to my friend who is there in Rajahmundry. If he is available, he can come, so we can meet. That's the plan for today. So as you can see, 47 kilometers more to go. So just let's start the ride. Right now I don't have a phone holder. Obviously I won't need on this bike. On my next bike maybe, definitely I need a phone holder for navigation and all. So I'll get that once I have a bike. So आई थिंक गाइस हम राजमंड्री आ चुके हैं. नॉट श्योर बट देखने में तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है. रोड्स आर प्रेटी बिग एंड वाइड. मैंने बहुत सारे शॉप्स भी देखे आगे. इट फेल्ट लाइक ए सेंटर बट अगेन देर आर नो शॉप्स हियर. गूगल सेज आई नीड टू ट्रैवल अनदर 8 किलोमीटर्स टू रीच द शोरूम. मे बी अभी 8 किलोमीटर के अंदर आएगा शायद. नॉट श्योर बट anyway, this was an update to you people. Let's see, maybe yahi par. Yes, I can see. Oh, there it goes. We have reached Benelli showroom, Rajahmundry. This was a tough task for today. Yes, we are done. Let me go inside and talk to them. So finally guys, we are on Benelli TRK 502. Yeah, sure, I can be. So this got 235 kilos kada idi. 235 kilos kada. Weight, curve weight. 225 kilos, right? So this baby is ignited right now. So if you can hear the voice, nenu camera tho maatladutanu. Okay. This feels light when you are on top of it, but this is nearly 235 kilos of weight having. Oh man, this will definitely grab lot of attention on road. Okay, now I understand how to drive this bike. Cool, it feels good in hands. Lower seat height, the way it revs, it is also nice. Brakes are not that punchier, but that we can manage because this is a test drive bike. Maybe brakes are not that great. Oh, suspension is very sturdy. You are gonna feel a lot of bumps because this is a road variant, so obviously you are gonna feel that bumps. And what about instrument cluster is outdated for sure, but they made some upgrade in BS6 variant that okay, I got it. This makes some noise but it doesn't pull the way it should pull. Right, pulls good. Currently we are in 5th gear. Let's go back to 4, 3. Okay, 20 liters kada bhaiya capacity. Full fuel tank, right? So this bike is right now 235 kilos in weight. So if you add 20 liters of petrol, that's gonna 255. If you add panniers, 20 liters or something, so total 350 kgs of bike that you are going to ride if you are on proper gear. తిప్పేద్దామా లేకపోతే ఇంకా వెళ్ళొచ్చా? It makes lot of noise when we are revving it, but it is not pulling the way it should pull. See, if you see, right, it is pulling, in lower gears it is pulling, but oh, you need to be in lower gear in order to pull it. Okay, cool, it feels good. Horn is basic Honda horn. There's no change in that. Man, I'm loving this bike actually. So this is a decent upgrade if you're coming from 300 or 200cc bike. Then this is definitely a must have bike in your garage. That's for sure. By riding it in the first instance, I can say that. And what else? These air blasters, whatever we have here, they have replaced it with aluminum frame in BS6 variant. So that's a good news. This loaded with good number of accessories, so that's a plus point, because for premium bikes, if you want to buy those accessories, that's gonna cost you around 60,000 or so. So that's some good news here. Gear shifting is also very nice actually. Oh sorry, right, it's very smooth. It feels planted on road. Oh cool. If you're on highway, you will feel attached to road because of the weight, but that again is a negative problem, because if you're going to through water crossing in Leh Ladakh area, you need to come down to speed of 10 to 20 kilometers per hour, so that's an issue there. Other than that, it's a superb bike. So let me just rev it. So there are no vibrations as such. I'm right now cruising at 70 km per hour. There are no vibrations as such, but if I pull it further, oh man, it feels so smooth. 80 kmph, no, superb. Very well designed by Italian makers. This is the Italian beauty. So superb. Let's take a turn here. We can go here. Okay, cool. Oh man, let's rev it here. Ooh. If you ask me my first impression, how I felt on this bike, man, this feels so good in your hands. If you are a beginner who wants to ride and who wants to upgrade his bike, then this is the must go van. This is the must go bike for you people. I'm loving this bike. The way it drives, it's cool, superb cool. Most of the wind is deflected because of this wind blaster. That is next level actually. Wind deflection is next level, and it comes with pre-installed accessories like these arm guards over here, this wind frame guard here, and if I'm not wrong, engine protection guards also comes with this bike pre-installed. Not sure if they are going to offer panniers. Oh, yellow brother? Kotecha? It's very easy to maneuver actually. I did not find that difficulty in maneuvering this bike. It's very easy to maneuver. I thought because of the higher weight, maneuverability will be very less, but this is quite flickable. You can just flick this bike easily, but while cornering, I think I'm gonna face some issue just because of the weight only. Otherwise, not an issue at all. Cool. అటు వెళ్ళాలా ఇటేనా? రైట్. It shows time, everything. Yes, cool. So what else? Altogether a decent bike if you want an upgrade. So recently they launched Benelli BS6 variant of this particular bike. So that's a decent upgrade, guys, if you want to switch from your 200 to 200 300cc bike. I'll show you cinematic shots of this particular bike so that you people can also come and test ride this bike. And this won't fall heavy on your budget, man. This will cost you around 6 or 7 lakhs. So that's a decent amount that you can put in for a premium bike like this. But not to mention the service cost, that's gonna be a bomb. But कुछ तो खर्चा करना पड़ेगा लाइफ में. अगर कुछ बढ़िया ले रहे हो तो उसके लिए तो खर्चा करना ही पड़ेगा ना. So obviously keep that in your mind before coming here. And I wanna thank these Rajahmundry people, Benelli people, man. They are very good at helping me out in this test ride. I just called them in the morning. They said, yes sir, you can come, you can have a test ride. So that's very good, nice of them actually. So guys, let me just go back and I'll get back to you guys again. So that's it, guys. We have completed our test ride on Benelli TRK 502. So that was a very good experience I just had. I don't know how to put it, but